Never underestimate a Toyota. What is up, guys? Alex the Car Guy here. And today I'm in the passenger seat of my own car because I'm helping out my good friends here. Shirtless Mr. Shirtless over here. We're going to be fixing his car that hasn't started, hasn't moved under its own power in a month. And last time we checked, it was running on 3 cylinders. So we got a new starter because the starter died. We're after it started running on 3 cylinders. We're gonna see how many cylinders it's on now. You know, maybe if he's lucky, it's running on 2, and now he's getting extra gas mileage.
Fuck no. Yeah. You have to go higher, not lower. Higher. Yeah. That's the goal.
Hopefully.
2 cylinders are these very slow. Do you know how slow 2 cylinders are gonna be?
Oh, I bet it's gonna be really slow.
Huge.
I bet this car will be faster than the old
Your car will beat me in a dig and a speed contest easily. That's how
my charger would beat you.
Yes, literally, you can just push the charger. It's gonna be my car.
Yeah, push the charger, because push the charger, because if y'all watched the last video, you know what happened to the charger. I'm still so sad about that, man. I see it in my driveway, like, motherfucker, why'd you do that to me, man? But we'll come back bigger. We'll come back better with the charger. I have other plans for another LX body car, like a Magnum or something like that, and that's when I'm gonna do crazy, because I like my car the way it is, my charger what it is. But if I get another one, then I'm going to crazy. I'm gonna go absolutely fucking hog wild. I'm gonna get a fucking massive cam. It's gonna be like, that was not the right fucking sound. It's gonna be like, it's gonna be like one of those cams that makes it fucking go, and like the sound like it's at like 1 RPM half the time. It's gonna be fucking insane. It's gonna make the fucking ground shake. When that shit passes you, you're gonna fucking, the sound waves are gonna break your damn windshield. That's how insane that cam is gonna be on that car. And maybe even supercharge and also twin turbo. Technically this can be possible. Just,
it is possible because the Hellcats be doing it too.
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes.
We'll be sleeping 6.
Nah, but honestly, I think what I'd do is I would pro charge the 5.7 Heavy, because that can make some decent power, and it's fairly easy. It's basically like it's basically a turbo and a supercharger combined. So
yeah.
I feel like that'd be a fun thing to do.
Yeah, because you'll hit still the supercharger and the turbo.
Exactly. And of course, you gotta hit the colder intake that makes that little. I can't my voice is in morning mode. I can't do the Hellcat one.
I guess we're going to do the back. I don't know. I can't do it.
Try it. It's the fucking over here looking meowing.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Imagine if I should get my own sauce.
Oh my god, I would hope not. Ooh, listen to that. Yo, hear that shit?
That's like stage 1 or something.
Maybe. Oh, is that that's a Sabre. Hell yeah. I low-key would buy one of those, but if I had money. If I had money, I'd be in my charger right now, but if I had money, I'd be in a Hellcat right now.
I'll be in a Mustang right now. So.
Exactly. Hey, when we get money, we're gonna be in our dream cars.
That's when we're gonna get them.
Exactly. And hopefully we don't get sued by a fucking dumb person who we accidentally break your car.
I mean, we're not gonna break the car. We're gonna make sure to look it online and make sure double check.
Exactly.
Then
And then if they want to test drive, then they have to come with us.
No. If they want to test drive, they're gonna do it themselves.
Yeah, basically. We'll be in passenger seat, but they're gonna be the one who's actually driving. You know. That way, if the transmission blows up on them like it did the other day. Funny story. Working on a customer car, transmission blew up on a test drive. That was a fun callback. Anyways, I'll update you guys when I get to the car. It's Camaro. No, it's a Camaro. Man. Oh yeah. The Scion TC of Death and Despair. Oh yeah. It's had a little bit of changes since the last time. I don't think the YouTube channel's seen the damage that one girl did to it. Hopefully the damage to my car, but oh yeah. This thing hasn't moved in a month on its own power. Look at the fucking brake rotors. They're just completely rusted because it hasn't moved. Ooh, I hear a power stroke.
I hear a diesel.
Yeah, that's a power stroke. That's on the Ford, it's a power stroke.
I know that.
Old starter. Out of the old and in of the new. I'm gonna use this extra bolt. I'm gonna take this extra bolt here. Hopefully, and use that too. Jesus, dude. That's interesting.
Just gonna have to freaking deal with it.
And this is loose again over here.
That's for a long term thing.
Alright, so. Yeah. Let's see if Sue starts now. Oh my god. It's back. What?
That's 3 cylinders, I'm not gonna lie.
The sensor was disconnected. How do you know it's 3 cylinders?
You can hear it. Can you not hear it?
I can't tell. I don't remember what your car sounds like 4 cylinders.
I'm not gonna lie.
This is what it sounds like. This reminds me of what it sounds like a 4 cylinder. So all that gas. Oh my god, lucky you. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's to be in the meter somewhere.
What the fuck, brother? We got a dirty ass socks in here.
Bro, has Bro been living in my fucking car? What the fuck?
See how it's not cool. See?
What?
See how it's like.
Oh yeah.
I definitely not posting there, but it was more.
Complete, yeah.
By now we're cooled down already, but it's not cooled down yet.
Fucking feeling the vibration. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I told you, it's not. You can drive it around safe, so you can see, but don't push it too hard now, because you're gonna see it.
Available valve timing system.
Okay, that's
really, yeah, that's just intake cam and exhaust cam stuff is messed up.
Okay, I had a feeling.
We don't have any codes for like any specific cylinder, no misfire codes, right?
That's a good sign, I guess.
If anything, probably are running on all 4 cylinders, but it's just that
One is not as strong as the others.
no, it's not that one isn't as strong. It's just that it's not got double valve timing anymore, and it's like the engine's basically retarded right now because the camshafts are like they're not where they need to be to run good. So like one of them's over advanced and one of them is retarded basically, so it's not running good. That's why.
But you know.
It's the cam and crank monitoring system basically.
So it's not
there.
Okay, so it's not a cylinder.
Yeah.
That's good.
That rod knock. You got rod knock.
Interesting.
Bro,
What does that mean?
remember my car, my Charger, and how I showed you that video of it locking up on camera? That had rod knock.
I mean, my car's been driven. Let me see if it goes away after I drive it.
And we might be driving it and fucking having to put it to a junkyard. Like, okay, so something we could do, if it is rod knock that it has right now, and it isn't built a camshaft difference, because there is something metal on metal that is not. I'm gonna turn it off for you. So technically, something you could do to alleviate rod knock, if you don't want to buy a new engine and do an engine rebuild, because really the best way to eliminate rod knock is an engine rebuild, is to drop the oil pan and put new bearings in it. But that won't really work if it has to be like a piston bearing. If it's like a crank bearing, which I mean, no, because a crank bearing wouldn't sound like that. That's I don't know. It might be rod knocking, right? Might not be. I don't know. It might just be something else that's like something weird, but.
Or the engine's dry.
I mean, it might be.
Because look at the oil. Look at the oil now since the car is.
Well, I mean, it's not gonna be in the right spot, but.
Oh my gosh.
And the oil is dirty and all that.
So is. it's totally and basically almost empty. I'm
But
not
it never
gonna
seemed
lie.
like it was low whenever I checked it.
Because it was never on.
Well, I mean, no, it feels what's called? Oh, yeah, that's.
See, I told you, it's that's what I'm telling you. It's low
Well,
oil.
If you no, that's not from low oil. That's like the smoke in the crankcase.
So start up again, look like it, so I can hear it from outside here. Hopefully it starts up again, doesn't lock up. Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off.
What happened?
That was really bad sounding from over here. That sounded like your engine is grenading itself as it's oh my god.
Popcorn.
Yeah, and it was like
I know I can tell.
that's blow. That's definitely compression is escaping the cylinders and getting into the rest of the engine. That's what will cause it to go like that.
So I fix that.
So can you afford a new engine?
I'm not buying a new engine. It has to be fixable. How do I fix that?
So the only way to fix that in this engine, I assume, would be an engine rebuild. So that would be a bit of a price, but damn. Yeah.
But I'm gonna still put some oil on it because when I did put some oil,
You're gonna put some oil in it. Oh. Dude's engine is actively grenading itself every time it runs. I can literally hear it destroying. It's gonna be like that one guy who blew up his car at the car meet engine. If you keep on doing it, you're gonna have a rod out. You're gonna have a hole in your block, but you're just gonna put some oil in it and hope it goes away.
I mean, it has to go away today. I got work. Yeah, that's still. I mean, good thing work is not far away, I guess, but still.
And I do not think it's a good idea to ever start this engine again. That is how bad it sounded when you just started that last time.
Well,
Like it sounded really fucking bad. Like it sounded like you were fucking banging a hammer inside the fucking engine. It sounded like there was something like something metal was like being fucking thrown around the engine. That's what it sounded like. Let me show you the video. Look. We're really gonna start her back up. Now we got an extra quart of oil in there. Someone's in there knocking.
That shit is done for, bruh. My car is done. It is done for. And yo, you heard that shit? You heard that, right?
Can't believe it's holding on so far. Yeah. Yeah, it's not even turning off now. It's running better. It's getting better. Like, what the heck? Never underestimate a Toyota. Exactly. Oh my god. Man. Oh my god, I just blew up his car. Oh, I just stood up and ripped it. Oh my god, I'm the one who blew up his car. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so honored to be the one that killed this car. I'm so honored to have literally shot a rat out the block. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. There's like, you see that hole there? It's a hole in your engine block. It's a hole in your fucking engine block. Oh my god.
Say goodbye to Scion, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
My car is done for, bro.
Oh my god. I'm so honored that you let me to kill your car.
You're welcome.
Oh my god.
That's just blue. I have to get a new engine, bro.
Yeah.
What the
Man.
fuck? Yo.
Oh my god. There's no way it's starting again. No. There's no way. You see that? There's a hole in the block.
Imagine it still starts though. Imagine it still starts. That's the thing. Imagine it still starts.
Imagine it does. One of the fucking rods is literally on the ground.
It's a dead thing. It's a dead thing.
It's not starting anymore.
It's a dead thing. But now it's dead. Now it's dead over there. Oh wait, hold on. The whole car's shaking, bro.
Yeah, that's because it's missing a rod.
Yo.
Battery's probably dying now.
Now it's dead.
Either the battery's dying or it's locking up now.
I don't know what to do. I can just sell the car for parts.
Yeah, you could. But man, oh my god, I'm so honored that I'm the one that actually blew it. I'm the one who revved it the last time. Man, if only I got the video.
Blow it, though.
Man, that's great. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry I took that honor away from you, man.
Eventually, if I get the money for that shit.
Oh my god, it's
These
insane.
movies.
I'm gonna burn myself on this again,
My
but
4 cylinder's over with. It's done for.
your 4-cylinder now has no cylinders.
Yeah, you're right. Fuck. You still have
You can
3?
nice new inspection port. Inspection port now. Oh my god.